Small town located 13 kilometers from Mardan at Katlang Mardan Road in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province in northern Pakistan. Jamal Garhi was a Buddhist monastery from the 1st until the 5th century AD, at a time when Buddhism flourished in this part of the Indian subcontinent. There is a beautiful monastery and main stupa, surrounded by chapels closely packed together. The site is called the Jamal Garhi Khandarat or Kafiro Kot by the locals. The ruins of Jamal Garhi were first discovered by the British explorer and archaeologist Sir Alexander Cunningham in 1848. The stupa at the site was opened by Colonel Lumsden in 1852, but little of value was found at the time too. In 1871, the site was excavated by Lieutenant Cromten, who unearthed a large number of Buddhist sculptures which are now part of the collections of the British Museum III and the Indian Museum in Calcutta. At the monastery a Kharoshti inscription was also discovered, which is now kept in Peshawar Museum. History. Gandhara Kingdom, Achaemenid invasion of the Indus Valley, Greek conquests in India, Mauryan Empire, Greco-Bactrian Kingdom, Indo-Greek Kingdom, Indo-Scythians, Indo-Parthians, Kushan Empire, Alkan Huns, Turk Shahis, Hindu Shahis. Culture. Greco-Buddhist art, Greco-Buddhism, Hellenistic influence on Indian art, Silk Road transmission of Buddhism, art of Gandhara by museum. Archaeology. Peshawar Basin. Takt Ibahi Saribal al Shajikid Hiri Kanishka Stupa Lorian Tanga Jamal Garhi Yusufzai. Sikri Yusufzai Butkara Stupa Bamala Aziz Dhiri Shing Ardara Ali Masjid Sfalahin Posh Swat Sedu Sharif Chukpat Barakat Chars Ada Push Kalavati Ranagat Hasht Nagar Sikri Stupa. Taxila. Sirkup Dermaraha Kajalian Kalawan Mora Muradujandi